on serving her country and then using her GI Bill to follow her dreams of becoming a doctor. During Felicia's free time, she enjoys spending time with the family and being involved in music and directing her church and youth choirs. A very talented young lady. Also with Couple A, their Fa'aluma today will be Justin Himalaya. You met Justin earlier in the court. Justin is the son of Luana and Benjamin Himalaya. He's also a senior at Couple A and serves as the sergeant at arms in the Polynesian Club. He enjoys singing, playing piano, hanging out with friends, and in the future he plans on going to Chaminade to pursue a criminal justice degree in law enforcement. And their instructor is Senior Sayuli, and the advisors are Ateliana Sohoto Maya, Taubela Fetuao Helenihi, and Esther Reed Trani. So you can see many supporters for Couple A High School. Okay, they're just doing a last imua. Okay. Are we ready, Couple A? Big cheer and bring Couple A High School on stage. That was your warm-up. Is like the group cheerleader, the motivator. He's the one that tries to keep everybody's spirits up, just like that. There you go. He'll do splits. He'll do jumping jacks. And he'll smile the whole time. All right, there's a good Fa'aluma. Anything to keep the performers as well as the audience happy. So the happier you are, the better the Fa'aluma is. Hey, wait, we have to set the 8-track, the beatbox, because back in the days we only used the fala and the pake, but nowadays anything goes.
We have a BX7. We get the keyboard.
Turn on the 747. You hear that? And Fa'alumas are always chosen for their good looks. So if you're ugly, you can never be the Fa'aluma. You have to be handsome. Just like, I forgot his name already, Justin. There you go.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are ready. Please, Couple A High School.
money.